Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're old, welcome back. If you're new to this channel, on this channel we do clothing haul, beauty, and lifestyle stuff. So welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Saygbah. I'm from West Africa, of course. You can tell. I know, everybody know. But if you want to see how I achieve this look, don't forget to watch this video. Like, comment, subscribe, comment. Like, let's chat with each other, okay? If you have any question, put it down in the comments below. Let's talk about it. And this was like supposed to be like a simple look with the hair and the makeup. I don't know if it's too much. I guess because the hair color, so it make it look like it's too much. But this is the final look. So if you like, thanks for watching.
Beats.
Yeah, I'm on set ready. Blessings on blessings, you're coming.
So guys, I just want to start off by saying this is my old wig. So just a heads up, this is one of my old wig. I washed it with the purple shampoo. And I messed it up, to be honest, because I put too much purple shampoo in one area. If you can see in the hair, you also see that. I used the 40 developer. And you can use any type of condition. If you can see in the video, I mixed that condition with a blue condition. I just did whatever. Like I always say, there's literally a homegirl in the basement. I just be doing random stuff with hair, okay? So there's no like instruction manual that I'm reading. I just do whatever. So when I get done mixing that together, I put it in the hair everywhere. I start off by sectioning as as I add the condition and the developer, or as I add my concoction, should I say, my mixture of whatever I have put in the bowl. I comb through the hair as I go, and this hair is full bundles and a frontal, so it's really full. I just comb through it as I go, and I just keep going till I can't go no more. Just comb. You gotta comb through it to make sure everything get everywhere. After the messed up with the purple shampoo, as you can see, I try not to mess up again because it's like really obvious. I would probably try to fix it as I go on because I know keep looking at it, it's going to like irritate my soul. But that's what I got for now. I let it sit in there for like 4 hours while I was in class, and I washed it out. Look at the purple shampoo in that thing. And now let's get into the install, man. I use my GOT2B Glue and of course my bad hair spray and my blow dryer. That's all I use for this. Blow dry as I go, spray as I go, add gel as I go. And guys, I didn't use the bald cap method, obviously, and y'all can see why. If you don't know, I'm already bald headed, so there's no point of adding like bald cap method. That just took too much time, and I don't be having time to do all that. And plus, I'm bald headed. What do I need to? What else do I need? So I just apply it as I go, to be honest. And spray as you go. Use your little small tooth comb, blow dry, and just keep repeating the step. Everybody say use a small tooth comb because you can use the small tooth comb to push the lace into the glue after you like spray it. So that helps out a lot. So you just use a small tooth comb to keep pushing it into the glue as you go. It helps out so much. And I just literally apply that everywhere. There's no special thing that I do. I literally just apply it everywhere. And what I do is I do use section by section because I'm not a pro at this, so I can just do everything at once. So I do go section by section. Okay, and also you doing by section, it helps you have control over what you're doing instead of just being rushed. So that's what I do everywhere, as you can see. And I broke one of my nails. I had just got it done a day before. And guys, thanks so much for the 1,000 subscribers. Let me let y'all know I'm happy. I know if I can hear my voice, it's early in the morning, but I just want to say thank y'all so much for supporting me. I really appreciate the love and the support, as usual. I always say that. And I'm almost at my 4,000 watch hours. I think I'm going to do another giveaway again. I really want to be like giving away because I'm always buying stuff. So I want to share what I have. So I think I'm going to keep doing little giveaways as I go. Because I be having too much stuff. So what's better to share it than just hold on to things that you're not even using. So we're going to do giveaways as we go for no reason. Because we just love each other on this channel. But yeah, that's how I kept doing everywhere. Thanks, guys. Hey guys, if y'all can't tell by now, I love me some hot comb. Hot comb is like every girl needs when it comes to doing hair, or guys, whoever does hair. There's no specific person. But if you want your hair to be like really flat and laid, you need a hot comb, ladies. I literally got this hot comb from Walmart. It was like 15, the most $19. You need a hot comb if you're doing your hair. I don't like seeing people like these bulky hairstyle where it's like your hair in the middle of it just look big and huge. You need a hot comb, ladies. Like if you don't have a hot comb, invest in some. Get this from Walmart, $20. Get some from Amazon, $15. And there's no point of you going to these hairstylists to keep doing your hair. We can learn how to do your own hair. I used to be one of those girls, but I'm not going to keep giving people my money. So after applying the wig, just to make sure the wig is secure, I go back in there with some glue, well, spray. I spray the spray everywhere. Then I tie it again to give it the meltdown. But yeah, I go back in there, spray it again, tie it down. Then this time I had add heat to it. It was hot. It was hot. Okay, it was hot. But I just add some heat to it and just let it do its thing. Then run a hot comb through it again. I run through the hot comb for any and everything. Okay, ladies, use the hot comb. Then we're going to get into the curling. Yes, my head is very small and this wig is a medium or a large. But no, I'm not giving it away either, so don't even ask. But I just get into the curling process. If you want to see how I curl my hair, I have a whole video on this channel on how I curl my hair. But if y'all want me to do another video, y'all know I do not mind, or anything y'all want, I'll do. But this is my little curling video. I use a smaller curling iron this time because if I use a bigger one, the curls drop faster, and I take a long time curling my hair because I'm slow at this. Like I always tell you, I'm literally the homegirl in the basement, so it takes me time to curl my hair, okay? So I just make sure I use the smaller curling iron, so by that way, by the time it drops, I still have something left, okay? But if I use the bigger curling iron and it's just like wavy, by the time it drops, there's gonna be nothing left. So I just use a bigger curling iron, smaller curling iron. And yeah, I love it, okay? If y'all can see in there, I still have some purple shampoo in there on the left, right hand side. Look at it. And I just play around with it, spray it again. Then I tied my hair down, well, my edges again, to make sure everything is cooperating together. I know I love curls, okay? I don't mind wearing some straight hair, but I love me some curls curls just give me a little bit of okay? So yeah, high comb again, like I always tell y'all, high comb is my homie. We don't play about a high comb. And I just tie it down. I didn't do no edges this time. Just tie it down again. So, and I used some concealer to define my part and did my makeup. That was it.
If you watched to the end, thanks for watching. Leave your comments.
I said, yeah, I'll tell you.
Yeah, beats.